Karale wa nchi na hati nilitoa mchango. Wasema na wame tawaka. So, First Lady, tafadhali, karibu sana. Mpige makofi anapokuja tafadhali.
I have 200,000 for Governor Simba Arati.
Hawa pesa niambie kwa Governor Simba Arati.
50,000 for the choir.
50,000 for the choir.
And 50,000 for the waker.
Na 50,000 tumufika general.
I hope I've presented the governor well. How many are you now, Governor Simba Arati?
Wale kama stop Governor Simba Arati.
Pia mwana na saba sisi.
Pia mwana sana. You forgot to
Tumusifu Yesu Kristo. Minene na minene. Abantu bali asaye biamone. Biamone naende. Ngoko akwamboka Simba umorugio Simba Arati. Biamono. Now allow me to request Mheshimiwa Nyoro to translate for me.
Watere angatere mba tabusire rwoti asoma rweke gusi.
First, please receive the greetings from Governor Simba Arati.
Litangani antera namba ikakorwa somo Governor Simba Arati.
We were actually on the way to Nairobi.
Nairobi wale kwa yanda tira wale ngoti Nairobi.
I saw so many tents here.
Ora ratente tia bechi nyinge gaiga.
I called Governor.
Wake na Governor simi.
I told him I'm not going with you to Nairobi now.
Oma tayo tini kwa na yawo tina Nairobi wano.
He asked me, where are you going?
Oma wori ngaka yogo tia.
I told him I've seen a lot of your people.
Oma tayo nga naroni na bataba abange sana.
Let me come and wish them happy Sunday.
Ya tije abaga media etu wapige ngia.
So I just came and crashed into the meeting.
Ye na acha na somo kutano inalioka.
Obebo did not invite me.
Obebo tamwari ganeti gocha.
I'm sure he did not deliver even the cards to the governor.
Na no mane nga nane ka deli ale kwero mo governor ta yigeti.
So the contribution I'm going to give
Kabono mchango yangu chukurwa
is for me and the governor.
no yo no mo governor.
He will make sure he add for himself and the governor again.
Wona ere obebo wako make sure nga olure chia naenda mentero mo governor.
I have just come.
Bone kana ikirega.
I have heard Mheshimiwa Alpha talk about Ogembo.
Oiguro Mheshimiwa Alpha uko konele nyakitani Ogembo level 4.
I know Mheshimiwa Alpha was with governor on Friday.
Nama etego Mheshimiwa Alpha bari ngano mo governor litukoli Juma matanga.
They also talk on phone almost every day.
Na niko kwa na bara sisi mikera lituko.
I don't know why he was putting me into the mix of Ogembo.
Mama etingi yako weke raso mchanganyo ibu Ogembo.
Then I heard Mheshimiwa Zaire talk about Barabara.
Na yuko no Mheshimiwa Zaire kao kwa nile gore yetpara.
But himself said
Lakini Roma nyana kweka na ateba.
the road will be done through the MCS.
Na ateba na tpara kwa ruchile kwa tera sa Mheshimiwa wa MCA.
Mheshimiwa Ibrahim Gubo is here.
Mheshimiwa Ibrahim Kuba nara.
The chair budget is here.
Na mchama nuwe budget nwara.
Let them sort out their county issues.
Tigawa solve mangana wa county.
Now,
Ono.
the woman talked about Tambrenas
Women rep na kwa nera emi avuli.
and the boho.
Nebisima.
I'm sure governor has also done so many bohos
Na no mane ngano mo governor nero kwa nebisima vingi sana.
in different wards.
As to ward mbalimbali.
And you also belong to the MCS.
Na endo kwa nena ba MCA bae.
If you found you want boho or water, look for your MCS.
Wanya kotagete egesima kwa sama ache likiwa mwa MCO.
I know Mheshimiwa Osoro has been calling me Chinese.
Nima to Mheshimiwa Osoro wereka kwa morokomo Chinese.
Now that you have a Chinese first lady,
Wono nende mo kwato mo Chinese yore omo first lady.
and I've decided to bring umbrellas from China,
Na ende na amu ira kwa tembe ya vuli kwa China.
is it wrong?
Makosa naro.
Now,
Bono.
The problem with those umbrellas.
Amakosa nama ya fudi yani.
We did not spend the money from the county.
Venstiru etia se county uchikoya gore.
If governor decide to save his per diems.
When governor kako agati chibesi allowance.
Let me explain to you what is per diem. You see, like now, governor is going to Nairobi. Our official duties. He's going to be paid allowances. You see, Mheshimiwa Osoro goes to US. Mheshimiwa Donya also goes. When they go to US, when governor goes to Nairobi, they are paid allowances. If governor decides to save his allowances and give women ESO, is it wrong? So if others decide not to save the money, it's their own problem. Or you want me to eat all allowances for governor alone? I can't finish that money. So let the people enjoy the money for their governor. And I want to request Mheshimiwa Osoro and Mheshimiwa Zahir. You know me, I'm not in any political party. If you have any function of a church, or help the people, which you cannot invite the governor because of the political party, please invite me. I don't know if I give out the contribution now, or how do I do it? But you know me, I'm going to Nairobi. Okay.
Aya, pande hapo mchango ya first lady araja akwane. Manya kukaribisha abantu bonse bande terechilese kiagara lero nchina atenele tu mchango. Wasema na wame kwa. So, first lady tafadhali karibu sana. Mpige makofi anapokuja tafadhali. Karibu sana.
Abono tindi coin sita invite first lady. Osoro is our boss. Atamu invite you nafasi ya first lady koju kidogo. I will let it to the chief to do that work. First lady wetu yuko hapa na nimualike nialike Obebo.
Our first lady, you remind our governor. Now I'm making the advert here, Ogembo, level 4, 80 million. Tima tindi contract with her. He's a good guy. Material chake contract tokore merimu. Usoro ga. Eto tokore gen to Ogembo. Ye county government toko kubuya. Tokore ye CDF to kubuya. That is what we need. We need development. Siasa chinyinge, chitapatia magoro, chitapatia magoko, tiga. Kore merimu. Agaja chikanisa, agaja school, abantu wakira chukuru ya kabiri. By the way,
Mukondo rankuoga. Ngote bagakie county to amagenderero. Nerina ki enegasiane. Ekiagere chichiane nchikorosi para na para ntobwati. Ndire naro rabosongo macheta iyo. Stima te iyo. Lakini nkire chiswita titinta banga ebintombo bebire. Omete lirito koboli ngoko rubire. Aya naende mokora ntoro tumia bese chiaito. Moto akera kure ekiagara na botora gachechi bese. Enga kie chikura chigo ika toba golere birebi. Toba golere nonyene dingo kwa na fada ta wanja. Toba golere bitaratara. Alafu toba ebereri moto ekura. Bali bebo chiswitate. Bono toise ko ikerenga kitogo tebaiga. Donya wakorire gasi gose yaya. Moko nyara tinda akora. Ginko bareta na chibese kali naende monga kura. Lakini moko rana na akorire. Naende timbo atie chinko basera. Na monga teba nonyeta liboto sera. Ama gendera akorire ki. Gusito chenchi muna togwa kachikuranya. Chibese tokora ku national government. Chigo cha bosongo nyasaye boline chibese chire chinyinge. Twa omonto ngorate bana nikidonye ngitari gotoera amaguli abuna ali akairukale abanyina ingwana natwarenge amaguli nale ngorora alenge pink ngora mwana kama buli ya umenere kwale pink okay tikamba buli libuli lya pink motagete gosene gesima toro chini numwangere libaga so nje chiri chiane tigamba ebisima amache are long lasting igo momolinga omongino olio chieto mokoro nko barenge nchengi ngotari ko baera donga nganje takwana nebinto bi mokorora ebinto mokorora bi amache mwanyora ebinto biri birororo more na birobio aya gimbo chakonyora abasani nabo bakonga chiwilicha abasani banga mabuli aro naro nabongo baretera mubeke chiro lakini chibese chiri chinsinini monganchere mbakolereki mbae ebisima ekemekemo nabakonyora nyasaye oto igolere bia igoti kanda bembia mono mheshimiwa chanda soko ni invite no moyo manena korwa somo chi
na nabo sabatoka enderera iko na kwa nafasi ledi tengo cha kugamia nyakuru ke mikutano yonzi bi kigana nere oromu ororo abongo anigo yes okaba tata chibesa chie kanisa next Saturday nkwari ganide first limo chango gete na Sunday aende kumuzaba ocha oje mungeno ro muororo kabisa tabwa timangana roji na segite beti nabo yes yaba yugo yes okwana ya oikaranza no yo okwana ya oikaranza mbale bawo tala bawo gaga okanga ni bisikuti dako my friend yate ko nyale kananje